Can I ask a question to help with some reflection? Try to get in writing really what I'm feeling. Cause I've been feeling confused. Rocked in my mind are our tunes, the tunes we wrote but never done. Nothing seems to go my way, go my way. I'ma try and fight it, I'ma try and fight it. Nothing seems to go my way, go my way. I'ma try and fight it, I'ma try and.
Yeah, I was just bugging out because look at how much shit I fucking have. I was like, is it even gonna fit? And then the guy was like, he was just dry as fuck. Like, I don't know. It was just like, my anxiety cannot handle that. Like, it wasn't like, he wasn't disrespectful or anything. He just like did not speak. Like, I don't know. And I was like, what do? I just like sit here and like don't say anything or what? Like, I don't know. It's 5:40. I just got back home from picking up all the groceries. Tonight we're just gonna be staying in. I'm gonna make some dinner. I have not cooked a meal in like a really long time. I literally told myself this year I wanted to start cooking more, and I have kind of failed to do that, honestly. So I went and got it's really just because I don't have time to go to the grocery store, so I decided to do a pickup order. Just downloaded that Walmart app and picked up my groceries. So I'm gonna give you guys real quickly a haul of everything that I got, and then we're probably gonna cook dinner together. I have been craving these freaking, I don't know, really just the drumsticks. Me and Dwayne always get these. They're so freaking good, so I wanted to get the drumsticks, and then I just thought get a variety pack so we have options. We had to restock on paper towels and toilet paper, so I just went ahead and got some of that. This is probably all hella gonna be out of order, but I wanted to make like little SavWay sandwiches, so I got this piece of sourdough bread, French bread, like a baguette. And then I also got some garlic bread for whenever I make pasta and stuff. I've been craving having a Coke, so I got the little mini cans. My milk is also expired, so I had to get some more. For my SavWay sandwiches, I got some turkey, and then I got 3 different types of cheese. I got these like little snack cheese rectangle things, I don't know. And then I also got Italian style cheese, which actually I thought I was supposed to get mozzarella, but Italian style and Parmesan. We got some chicken tenderloins because I was like, I could make some chicken tenders and fry those, and I could also do like almost Chipotle bowls and like cut up the chicken. So I just got tenders. I got some Checkers fries, and then I also got some pizza rolls. We literally have no condiments inside this house besides like ketchup packets, and then we have ranch and mustard. So I wanted some Chick-fil-A sauce. I've been craving this, so I'm so happy they actually had it in stock. And then I also got what are these called? Pickle stackers. I don't know, they're the flat pickles. I want to try to make some fried pickles. And then I also got some hamburger dill for my SavWay sandwiches. We needed some more laundry detergent, so we got the pods, and then I also just wanted some liquid detergent as well, so we got both. I got a ton of ramen. I think I got like 5 packs of it because this is my favorite cup ramen. It's so good, and I like to eat this whenever I just want a little snack but don't want to make anything crazy. Basically just a very low effort meal for me. I got more ice cream. These I've actually really been craving, like the little straight fudge chocolate bars. So good. I'm so excited for those. I'm eating one tonight. I got 2 kind of chips. I got just Cool Ranch Doritos, and then I also got some Takis. For produce, I got some cilantro because I want to make chicken tacos with my tenders. And then I got some of this like green onion, so I can put that like over my ramen and stuff. And then I also got some asparagus, so I can make like Parmesan crusted asparagus. Mwah. A few household items that we needed. I really just want to get some Fabuloso for the floors because Dwayne has this like sweeper thing, and I just don't really feel like it's doing the job. So I wanted some Fabuloso for our floors, and then I got this bottle to put in it, to put that in there. And then we also just needed some dish soap. For pasta, I got 2 different kinds. I got this to make like my regular pasta, and then now that I'm thinking about it, I do not know why I bought this, but tomato, basil, garlic pasta sauce, and Plasico 4 cheese pasta sauce. Really, what was I trying to make? Oh, and I also got tortillas so I can have like little tacos. I wanted the really small ones, but I guess they didn't have them, so we got the medium-sized ones. I got some cilantro lime rice in like the bag so I can make my like Chipotle bowls. And then I also got some black beans to make those as well. And then I just got some breadcrumbs so I can make fried chicken. So excited for some fried chicken. penne pasta noodles for our penne pasta. And then I got some vegetable oil for the fried chicken. And then I also just got this oh, that's what I got it for. The tomato basil was for this one, for the 5 cheese tortellini, I believe. Yeah, tortellini. I'm gonna make some tortellini. I think I actually might make this tonight because it's like easy, quick, and will still taste good as fuck, and I can do some garlic bread with it. I think that's what we're gonna make. Okay, last couple of things. Dwayne needed baby wipes or flushable wipes, so I got him some of those. And then I got this blackened chicken Alfredo that I could just heat up one day whenever I don't feel like cooking. Okay, and then again, we didn't have any condiments, so I got actual ketchup, because there's been so many times where I've been trying to eat like my little nuggets that I have in the freezer, and I'm like, I can't even eat these because I don't have any ketchup. Chick-fil-A sauce, like the ranch that we have is nasty. I don't want to eat it with that. And then lastly, I got some chicken broth because I actually want to boil my noodles and my tortellini in chicken broth. I just think it would be really good instead of just boiling them in plain water. Like, I think I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken broth and water, but I just feel like it's gonna just give it that little extra touch, and it's always good to have chicken broth. So yeah, that is my little grocery haul. I'm about to put all this away, and then we can get started on cooking the tortellini because I'm actually really fucking hungry, so I cannot wait to eat.
Told her you loved me, you called me a liar. Oh no, oh no.
Just putting away all the groceries. Thank God. I feel so good, besides like the cleaning supplies and shit. But we're gonna make this tortellini. I'm so excited. Okay, we're basically just gonna fill this up with a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna use some of my chicken broth, and we're gonna see how that goes. It would actually be really good if I made like some chicken to go with it. Should I do that? Am I really trying to like put my back into this or what? I mean, because the chicken's ready to go. It's not frozen or nothing. I am gonna go ahead and make some chicken with it. I'm just gonna take a few of these tenderloins and I'm gonna season these up and then just cook them on a pan. No, we'll go ahead and do 6. I'm gonna do 6. While I go ahead and season my chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and put my tortellini in the pot so it can start boiling. I'm also gonna add a little bit of salt. I also went ahead and turned the heat down so it's on low. Go ahead and start with some pepper. Just gonna do a little bit on top. Now I'm just gonna go in with some salt. I don't want too much. I don't want them to be super salty, so just enough. And then I'm gonna spread everything out. I'm gonna be basic and just go in with this Italian seasoning. I don't think I've ever tried this, so I hope it's good. I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this on top. I'm also gonna add a little bit of this Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute. I just like the way this tastes, so we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle some of that on there as well. Now I'm gonna rub it into the chicken, and yes, I did wash my hands before I started touching all of this meat. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and flip all of the chicken over so I can season the other side. A little bit of pepper, some salt, Italian seasoning, and then more of the Trader Joe's seasoning as well. Then again, just rubbing it in so it's all in the like little crevices. One thing for sure is this chicken is gonna be seasoned, baby. I actually really kind of like this. This is low-key fun that I don't have to cook by my freaking self. Oh, it worked! I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my oven, and I'm gonna put it to like a medium-ish heat, and then I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of butter in my pan. I'm also gonna put a little bit of garlic in there. I'm not gonna do too much because I don't want it overly garlicky, but I am gonna put just a little bit. Y'all, this shit smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and add in all of my chicken. I've got my chicken and my tortellini cooking back here behind me, but I have this garlic bread. I already preheated my oven to 425. So all I really need to do now is just put these on a little pan and pop them in the oven. No fucking cap, y'all. I'm really a wife. I took out my garlic bread. I really honestly wanted to add more butter and garlic and like some cheese on top, but it's fine, it'll do. And then this tortellini looks fire. We're not gonna talk about the pan, but look at this fucking chicken. I already started cutting it up, but oh my god, like the close up, this shit is crazy. Like this looks so good. All right, and here is the final product, you guys. This looks so freaking bomb. I really did my big one. I cannot wait to eat this. Anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with me tonight. I actually had a really good time, so if you guys like this type of content, let me know and we can do some more like cooking nights, and it'll probably motivate me more to cook, honestly, so we can just make recipes and find meals together. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and turn your post notifications on so that way you are notified every time I post a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my other social media platforms just to stay in touch, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.